how to highlight text in Canva. Okay, so we want to go to our left hand side and choose text, and then we go to add a text box. Okay, I'm gonna make it bigger so y'all can see it better. Okay, you want to make sure your text is selected like this, and now we're gonna go up here to effects. Then on the left side down here you can see where it says background. That will create the highlight for your text. And if you scroll down here, you can choose the roundness of the highlight, the spread, and the transparency of your highlight. You can also choose a different color, like this. And that's how you highlight text in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.